Hi everyone, this is Mr. Rojas here to help you out this time with your yellow belt for the flute. Before we get started, let's go over some of the new rhythms in our yellow belt songs. The new rhythm that we have to go over for our yellow belt is the quarter note, and a quarter note gets only one beat. When we play a quarter note, we want to tap our feet so that way our feet can match up with the beat. Usually when we tap our feet, we are tapping quarter notes, sort of like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 4 quarter notes on the note D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be sure to say the word two to separate each of your quarter notes and try to do them on one breath. Rewind this video and play along with me with those quarter notes. Besides our new rhythms that we're learning, we also have to learn 2 new notes on the flute. And those notes are E flat and F. Just like our B flat, E flat is another note that also has a flat sign in front of it, just like B flat. E flat's very similar to our D. Go ahead and finger along a D with me, and to play E flat, all you have to do is just add your pinky right here. Watch how it sounds. I'm gonna play D and then E flat. Here's D. And here's E flat with the pinky. The next note to go over is our note F. Now go back and finger along your E flat, which you just learned. So one more time, that's our rabbit ears D, but we're adding now our pinky on the bottom. And now what you're gonna add is your first finger right here on the top one and lift up these 2 fingers right here. Notice how you still have your pinky and the first finger on your right hand on the bottom still. F should sound just like this. Be sure to rewind this video and play along with me to learn those new notes. Remember, the whole point of these videos is to practice along with me. So make sure you take out your instrument as you watch these videos. Here is Song 27, Song of the Fjords on page 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Rest. Here is Song 29, Go for Excellence on page 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. 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 That's it for today. Be sure to go back and rewind this video so you can play along to learn those new yellow belt songs. Remember to take out your instrument as you watch these videos so you can play along with me. Until then, I'll see you next time for your orange belt. Happy practicing!